think despite the result, the team continued progress. We defend very well first half, with the problem with the set pieces. That's how we proceeded to go in the last minute of the first half. Second half we come strong, we played well. We considered the one that the referee decided it's not goal. I don't know why there is a VAR. We don't use it. It's the third game that they are not using against us with VAR. We did 1-1. I think it was a goal. Then we considered immediately after with the referee. And then we scored 1. We played well. We passed the ball well. We create chances and we put Morocco under pressure. The last minute everybody ran to score and then they did the counter attack and they won first. Congratulations for Morocco. I like the style of football, but I think today we deserve more. No, the boys always give everything. We saw even today. Maybe one or two players you can say that they didn't do it, but most of the players really fight well. And we do it for the next game. And as I told you, our target from the CHAN is different targets. Of course, we want to win, but this is not our main target. Our main target is to prepare team for the players for the national team. And they give me a lot of things to talk about it. Today, play also 3 players that play first time. Baptiste Banda, Happy, and Kelvin Wanza, and I think they did very well. And we will continue with this. We need to, to follow our targets, and we will do it also on the next game. We came here, this is the reason that I came. I'm the coach of the first national team. As we don't have many players that play in Europe like other good countries, big countries, we depend on the players that play in the league. I came here to see the players. This is my main target. Which player I can take for the first team. Of course we wanted to win, like everything, but this is why there is a CHAN team. CHAN team is to bring players to the national team. I think 2 players, between 1 to 3 players will come also to the national team from this tournament. I think we had the targets, we came to here, and I think we feel the target. This is a CHAN team. We didn't have even 1 game before. Every game we are better. Today we play better than the second game. The second game we play for the first. I saw new players. That few of them maybe can be in the future for the national team. Few of them maybe not. And this is my main target. The result, of course, I want always to win, but this is, in this case, is not the main target of us. We want to win. We wanted to win, we did everything to win, but it's not the main target.